Welcome to the Caryota. You're looking at the latest milestone in our commitment to designing homes that conform to green home design standards. Driven by the sustainable infrastructure of Kairoshof Energy to maximize off-grid efficiency, ventilation, and space management, this isn't just a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. It is a living ecosystem crafted for those who value both prestige and peace of mind. What you are looking at is complete energy independence. Driven by a massive high-efficiency solar panel system, this home operates entirely off-grid, giving you an unmatched comfort with zero power interruptions. Step inside where the vision fully comes alive. This entire 5-bedroom fully detached duplex has been furnished and tailored precisely to our client's bespoke taste, blending high-end textures with minimalist elegance. Looking up at the brilliant integration of architectural lighting, every cabinet line is clean, streamlined, and designed to balance spatial harmony with high-functioning capability. What truly sets this home apart is the energy system working behind the scenes. At the heart of the property is this state-of-art solar system set up by Kairoshof Energy, a 20 kVA inverter system paired with a 30 kilowatt-hour battery runs this house entirely autonomous. Moving into the private sanctuaries, notice how the integrated smart sensor illuminates the glass wardrobes as you approach. The bathrooms boast high-end matte black aesthetics, freestanding soaking tubs, and flawless marble design. Entertainment is redefined in this custom media lounge, framed by warm and welcoming lighting moving between floors. From the massive custom walk-in closets to the centralized smart home automation panels by the door, you have complete command over your environment, lighting, and security with a single touch. Now, this is structural excellence meeting natural harmony. It is a completely self-sufficient sanctuary tailored for the future. Welcome to the new standard of living. Welcome to the Caryota by Kairoshof.